Batteries. The first true battery was invented by Andrew Volta in 1800. He stacked zinc and copper discs and separated them with a salty cloth. Wires connected to either end of the stack produced a continuous and stable current. Since then, we've gone from a wet cell to a dry cell. Zinc and carbon batteries are what we buy in the stores today. It was discovered that when the electrolyte is an alkali, the battery lasts longer. The first rechargeable battery was the nickel and cadmium battery. Now we have the lithium-ion battery. The lithium-ion battery is able to produce some of the highest possible voltages in the most compact and lightest volumes. Nanotechnology has also been used to create batteries that can be safely made in large formats and are able to charge and discharge at rapid rates. How do batteries work? Batteries work through oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation is the loss of electrons, which takes place in the anode, and reduction is the gain of electrons, which takes place in the cathode. When the anode and cathode are connected, it creates a flow of electrons from the anode to the cathode. Hooking something up to this flow gives the object power.
Today, most of the focus is placed on lithium-ion batteries, which contain lithium, which is either hard rock mined or salt brine. Discovered in 1817 by Johann August Alfvéson through the electrolysis of lithium oxide. It is the lightest metal and the most electronegative as well, and is used in compounds and drugs widespreadly. Less so in today's day and age, but peaking in about the 90s, where it was used in the drug lithium, which was a treatment for depression and still is to this day, as well as the development of lightweight batteries that we know that are used in our personal phones, as well as the aerospace industry, where they're used because of their lightweight properties, where the weight of the aeronautical components is very important. And as for its socioeconomic impacts over the years in the social sphere, it's obviously been used heavily in cell phones, which are a huge part of the social sphere in this day and age. And even before then, as mentioned, lithium was used as a depression drug, famously used by Kurt Cobain and written about in a song of its namesake. And furthermore, economically, it plays a huge role in today's day and age because it's used so heavily in electronics and because electronics heavily dominate our world. Furthermore, industrially, they're used heavily and will be used more heavily as energy storage capabilities increase, as it becomes more and more practical for a varying wide net of industries. However, there are a few small safety issues concerned with lithium, as it is a little funky in terms of some of its properties, in that its vapor can escape from the batteries if they are damaged and can be dangerous to human health. Furthermore, there have been cases of lithium-ion batteries on airplanes catching on fire in recent years, as well as exploding, and those have been attributed to issues in heat control as they've been overworked in those conditions.